Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix this problem. So if you couldn't log into your Instagram account, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn it again. And if you use StarData, just open StarData. Just try to turn it off and turn it again. So after you can try to restore phone. So you go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power phone again. So just simply restore phone. And the latest option you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just right here Instagram, and if you see update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install latest updates for your Instagram app. Also, you need to check your credentials. So just check your username and the password you enter. Might be you just made a mistake in it. Also, if you can use the forget password and just restore your account, so you will receive a link to your email or just to your phone numbers, some verification code. So after you will be able for using changing your password to another and just logging into your account. So thanks for watching, goodbye.